Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. This one we change dy over dx. Next, we divide both sides by sin2x and dx we put on the left. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin2x equals to 2 sin x cosine x. So I will put this one go in here. Now we need to simplify 2 cosine x on numerator and denominator. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of sin x. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2y, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.